This video walks you through the software in action. Let's see how we turn an image into a finished engraving. Tap the icon in the upper right corner to connect your device. Drag and drop the image you want to engrave into the software. Resize the image to fit your needs. In the Layout panel on the upper left, you can adjust the engraving parameters such as power and speed to your liking. For more fine-tuned control, you can double-click directly on the Layout area to access advanced parameter settings. Click the Frame button to preview the engraving, position, and make sure it's aligned correctly. When you're ready, click Start to begin engraving. Finally, let's sit back and enjoy the finished engraving.